Welcome to today's episode on how to add more information to your tree. In the profile page of the person to whom you want to add more information, there are 4 sections: Life Sketch, Vitals, Other Information, and Family Members. Within these sections, you'd click the plus sign to add new information. Life Sketch is where you can write a summary of that person's life within a 10,000 character limit. The Vitals section is where you have basic information such as name, sex, birth, christening, death, and burial information. With this vital information, you can easily search for the most common records, such as birth certificates. In the Other Information section, you can add a variety of extra information, such as alternate names, life events, and facts about that person. This section is great to enrich each person's profile, so you and future generations can get a better grasp of this ancestor's life. In the Family Members section, you can add extra family, such as a spouse, children, parents, uncles and aunties, without having to go to the tree. Here, you can also add marriage events, facts, sources, or notes by clicking on the little pencil icon between spouses. You can add various events by clicking on the plus sign and choosing the event in the drop-down menu. Relationship facts indicate if the couple had no children, so it is clear this was the case and not that children's names are missing from the tree. In sources, you can add a marriage certificate, for example. In notes, you can add whatever you want by giving it a title and description. For example, when they met. They met on the 5th of April 1886 at the market. It is advisable to add all vital information first and marriage date if applicable, and then start building from there. Remember, add all living memory information first. Then you can discover more in records. You never know what you might find.